Nali igoli lokuqala legame uLeon ushaya ipenalty siyamazi ukuthi une-confidence first goal of the season for yena uLeon but sol-check-a le penalty leli bafethu ukuthi bali-consider kanjani iplayer ubani uZindonga iZimbabwean international mina ngibazi abantu abadifenda kanje ukuthi bekafunani laphana ebhokisini uZindonga ngoba akusiyo iplayer vele elidifendayo iplayer elidlala phambili but what a powerful strike from yena uLeon. Ngithe uzokora 30 goals this season. I just predict ukuthi this is the start 29 goals to go sazowashaya amagoli asibukeleni le penal or asibukeleni nayi le foul iyavela bheka lo muntu lo vele uya kumuntu straight bafethu late uya kumuntu straight. I thought uRevli mangilibona kokuqala or bengicabanga ukuthi ayakusi penalty but no, Revli was close to the action and ube right uRev 100% ipenalty. uLeon shout out to yena confidence yakhe. Then somuvela egolini le-Galaxy cause i-Galaxy equalizile a mistake lana bheka ku-Sundowns ubani uNuno Santos lo angimazi uphasa abhekele balithatha balishaya phakathi but ubhekana uRonan Williams bafethu i-positioning yakhe position ukhohliwe ipali ukuthi likuphi bhekani mbhekeni ukuthi ukuphi ule uvaleni ke lapha why maintain iposition bekazokwazi ukulibhlocka le bhola leli but ke ukhohliwe nokuthi ipali likuphi but ke simpleme kakhulu uRonwen bafethu iSundowns eyibulele kule situation lena. They were supposed to do better, they were supposed to mark better, they were supposed to be more compact lapha nemuva but ke a cheap goal to give away, cheap goal. Noma khona amagoli eninga but i-defense eSundowns bafethi beshake because lela side lela ubani ulitswalo lokorile bafethu uke wayithola i-opportunity futhi laphana ku-Sundowns. iSundowns ilalile wayithola i-opportunity from lela side lela but I think warush, I think boyi 3 minutes or I can't remember ukuthi bokuye how many minutes but igame beyiqeda ukuqala warush ukushaya wageja nangu futhi yayithola i-opportunity mistake from iSundowns but sobukela i-second half sibona ukuthi izohamba kanjani.